In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AutoSize form property in Microsoft Access to keep your forms at the size you want. If your Access forms keep snapping back to a different size every time you open them, the auto resize setting is usually the reason. Here's how to take control so your form opens exactly the way you prefer. Start by opening Microsoft Access and the database that contains your form. Open your form in Design View so you can change its form level settings. The quickest way is to right-click the form in the navigation pane and choose Design View. Next, open the property sheet for the form itself. Double-click the gray area just outside the form's design grid. That targets the form rather than a specific control. If the property sheet doesn't appear, you can also press F4. At the top of the property sheet, confirm the selection type is form, so the changes apply to the whole form. Now move to the Format tab within the property sheet. Look for the property named Auto Resize. In most databases, it's set to yes by default, which tells Access to automatically fit the window to the form's design each time it opens. Change Auto Resize from yes to no. This simple switch instructs Access to respect the last size you saved for the window. With that set, it's time to lock in the size you want. Switch to Form View so you see the form as a user would. If your form's auto center property is set to yes, being in Form View before saving helps ensure the form is centered properly at the size you're about to keep. Manually resize the form window by dragging its edges or corners until it looks just right on your screen. Take a moment to check that all important controls are visible and that no scroll bars appear unless you want them. When the window is exactly how you want it, save the form while it's at that size. Use File, then Save, or press Ctrl+S. Saving at this moment records the window dimensions because auto resize is turned off. Close the form. The next time you open it, Access will honor the exact window size you saved. If it doesn't, double check that the form was selected in the property sheet, auto resize is set to no, and the save happened while the form was open at the desired size in Form View. That's all you need to keep your Access forms opening at the size you want. Consistent, predictable, and user-friendly every time.